Hey guys, we got another special one for you, man. Another early look, and this happens to be an upcoming release for 2024. We got a dope pair of Air Jordan 1s to show you guys, man. What's going on YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into today's video, man. It's always greatly appreciated, man. As you guys seen by the thumbnail and the title, we got a clean pair of Air Jordan 1s that are supposed to release next year, 2024. If I'm not mistaken, after we check the release date, I think this is the first pair of Air Jordan 1s of the year. And they starting off with a bang, I must say, bruh. You guys know I love Air Jordan 1s. You see, I see all them Jordan 1s over there. I have Air Jordan 1s over here. There's Air Jordan 1s everywhere. And if you guys love Air Jordan 1s, man, go ahead and let me know down below in the comment section. But if you are new to the channel, right now what I need everybody to do is hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boys to miss out on any content that we drop, and please leave a huge like on today's video, man. Them likes go a long way, and it shows YouTube you guys are enjoying the content, bro. I need them likes, we need them comments, we need the interaction going, so I can respond to all you guys' comments. I love seeing what you guys are saying about some of these upcoming releases and whatever video topics we are talking about. All right, so you guys already seen the box, bro. You probably already know exactly which Jordan 1 we already talking about, man. So let's go ahead and read the official colorway size tag. And it reads, man, Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG, Yellow Ochre, and Black Sail. We got these in a size 8.5, which are a little too small for me. Well, we're gonna see what we can do with these boys. We're gonna see what we can do with them. I have not worn a size 8.5 in a long time besides a pair of 1 lows. So we're gonna see how these things rocking, man. But you guys see the huge yellow Nike sign on the side. You got yellow Nike branded everywhere, bruh. So let's go ahead and flip the top open, man. You guys see in the tissue paper, pretty standard, pretty basic. And we're gonna check these things out, man. Before we do, man, y'all hit that like button. Drop some fire emojis down below, especially if you guys want to see more early looks leading into 2024. We're going crazy next year, bro. I'm telling y'all, we're going crazy, man. So let's go ahead and flip these guys open. My first time seeing them in hand, in person. And yeah, got a lot of tissue paper with these bad boys. And here we have them, bro. Here we have them, man. The Air Jordan 1 Yellow Ochres, bro. These might look a lot similar to another pair of Jordan 1s, which you are gonna grab here shortly. But let me know how you feeling about these Air Jordan 1 Yellow Ochres down below in the comment section, man. A lot of comments saying, yo, I'm tired of seeing yellow on the Jordan 1. You guys know we got the pollen ones, we got the taxi ones, and the Air Jordan 1 I was talking about are these right here, bro. Now the best hand in the game pack Jordan 1 Yellow Ochres, these dropped back in 2019 or 2018, one of the two. But this is a pair that I had to have, and I did have the green pair as well, end up selling it, but this is by far my favorite colorway and the best hand in the game pack, man. So we're gonna set these to the side real quick and get this tissue paper off this other Yellow Ochre Jordan 1, man. And I'll first rip, bro. All first impressions, I need you guys to let me know how you feeling about it, man. Is this gonna be a cop? Is this gonna be a drop? Because, you know, like I said, man, people probably tired of Jordan 1s. Jordan Brand is milking it, bro. They definitely milking it. And I would be on that same side as you guys. We're getting a lot of yellow Jordan 1s, bro. But these right here, nonetheless, are super, super nice. The quality is actually pretty good. See, at first I thought it was gonna be some terrible quality, but you got some nubuck around the toe box. You got nubuck on the heel, and then on the toe box and on the side panel, you get some nice tumble leather, I must say, bro. And they got the same tag that came on the Air Jordan 1 Neutral Grays and the Stays Haze Air Jordan 1 Lows. I think they came with the same tag right here. Not too sure what it says or what it means, but just know when you get your pair, it should come exactly like this, man. But you guys let me know, bro. Quick little 360 at an upcoming Jordan 1. Look like a taxi. It looked like the Pollens. It looked like these best hand in the game Yellow Ochres. Like a lot of things, but I must say though, like this is a nice colorway. It's the best executed one as far as, you know, the other Air Jordan 1s I mentioned. I can't say that right now, but on first impressions, I definitely think that these will do well as far as people liking them. If you do have all these other Air Jordan 1s, man, you probably do not care about these at all, just because the simple fact is yellow is a little bit more difficult to wear. And if you have a bunch of yellow Jordan 1 colorways, you probably like, yo, I don't need these at all, man. So you guys know the trend lately, bro. All these things have been going for under retail, and they've been going for the low ski on, you know what I'm saying, StockX, Scope, and stuff like that. And even Nike themselves have been, you know what I'm saying, putting these on sale a couple of weeks after the drop. You guys seen what happened to Royal Reimagines. They put them on a 30% discount code on Cyber Monday. People was getting things for $130 a pop, and they originally retailed for $180, man. So they ain't moving the price up on these guys yet. It's still $180. I'm gonna check the official release date real quick. Let's go ahead and go over to the lovely Sneaker Bar Detroit. That's where I get all of my information. Been rocking out there for a couple of years now. They've been pretty good as far as the release dates and colorways and stuff like that. So these Yellow Ochre Air Jordan 1s are set to release January 13th. So literally in a month, we will be getting these joints right here. We got these joints a month early just for the Vintage Squad. That's why I need everybody, bro. Everybody right now, y'all drop a huge like, drop some fire emojis down below for your boy. The Vintage bringing this early. Look, man, you got your black Nike swoosh, black wings logo on these guys right here. And it's just like a regular Jordan 1, you know what I'm saying? It's nothing too crazy. It's nothing too extravagant, but actually just looking at them, you know what I'm saying, peeping them, it is a nice Jordan 1, you know what I'm saying? It's a nice colorway. I know a lot of people will pass on these just due to the fact that we just got the Taxis, we just got the Pollens, we just got the best hair in the game pack Yellow Ochres, and you know, people might push these to the side. But the only reason why I might think these will do a little bit well as far as the likeness of the sneakers is because there's not a lot dropping in January. You got these Yellow Ochres dropping, and you do have the Air Jordan 6 Yellow Ochres as well. So you got a lot of yellow sneakers to go after, and it's gonna be like a toss-up. You wanna grab the 6s, or do you wanna grab these Jordan 1s? And if you guys already got that decision made up, bruh, what you grabbing, bruh? The Yellow Ochre Jordan 1s or the Air Jordan 6 Yellow Ochres, bruh? I just think it's time for Nike to bring back some more of them OG colorways. Like, we need them black toe reimagines. We need them shadow reimagines. We need some other, you know what I'm saying, colorways to kind of like, you know, boost up the Jordan 1 line again, or start making less Jordan 1 colorways. I bring back a little bit more excitement, a little bit more hype around, you know what I'm saying, Air Jordan 1 releases. Because back in like 2017, 2018, it was damn near impossible to get a pair for retail, but like everything's going for over retail. That's really when I started putting a lot of time into YouTube, and it cost me like $400 sometimes, $450 to get an early pair of Jordan 1. Now you transition all the way to 2023, you got Air Jordan 1s like these going for under retail before the drop even happens. Yeah, man, y'all let me know how you feeling about them, bruh. Drop some comments, drop your thoughts. You guys know I respond to every single comment. Super interesting to read you guys' comments as well, because there might be some people that love the sneaker, and there might be some people that hate it. So it's gonna give an opportunity for other people coming to today's video and seeing how everybody's kind of feeling about the first Jordan 1 to release in 2023, man. And if you guys have not watched the early look over the Air Jordan 3 Midnight Navies, man, I need you guys to go check that out, bro. We got these things early just for you guys. And I think these release next weekend, or they drop this weekend, bro. The same day as the Kobe 6 Grinches. But I already know these gonna get pushed to the back burner due to the fact that, like I said, we got the Kobe 6 Grinches, we got the Midnight Navy 3s, and people gonna prioritize them Kobe's, bro. We already know how it is. We know where that hype is going. We know where that money is going to Nike. But for those people that love Jordan 3s, that love that Midnight Navy colorway, I think it's definitely going to go to those right people. But if you can save your money, if you ain't got to get them now, bro, wait a couple of weeks, bro. These might be going for under retail, might be going for sale on Nike. You just never know. There's no need to buy them now if you don't need them, bro. Like, you don't need them, honestly. I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys for tuning in to today's video, bro. Long unboxing, talking about these Air Jordan 1 Yellow Ochres. I'm probably saying that wrong. Don't butcher me down below in the comment section, but please let us know how you're feeling about them down below, man. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Hit the notification bell for your boys so you don't miss out on any content that we drop. And please do a huge like on today's video, man. It might go a long way. It's gonna show YouTube you guys enjoying the content. We're gonna get that 100K, bro. We're gonna get that 100K one way or another, man. All this being said, bro, your boy The Vintage is gonna catch you in the next video, man. Peace.